Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of January 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people. In today's video, we will talk about how will be the month of January 2024 for all the Leo Ascendant people astrologically. First of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Leo Ascendant people, Sun controls your first house, means Sun is your Ascendant Lord, and right now your Ascendant Lord is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Sun will stay in your fifth house till 15th of January. After 15th of January, Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn. So right now your first house Lord is moving in your fifth house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, your planning abilities, your girlfriend, boyfriend, fiance, all of these things is seen from fifth house. So right now first house Lord is moving in your fifth house. So we can expect your major concern in the month of January, especially till 15th of January, will be your fifth house related matter, like your children, your education, if you are in education life. If you are married right now and you have children, then your major focus will be your children. And if you are in love relationship, then we can expect in the month of January your major focus will be your love relationship. Also, we can expect great result regarding your mental abilities and planning abilities, because Sun will illuminate the significance of the house in which Sun is moving in transit. So right now Sun is moving in your fifth house in the mental abilities, planning abilities house. That's why we can expect great result for your fifth house related matter. After 15th of January, when Sun will move to your sixth house in the sign of Capricorn, then sixth house deal with your hidden enemies, your court case, litigation, argument, fights, your loans, your daily routine in context of your work is also seen from sixth house. So after 15th of January, when your first house Lord will be moving in your sixth house, then we can expect great result regarding your competition related matter, regarding your court cases, regarding your argument, and etc. All of these things will turn into your favor, means your hidden enemies will be suppressed due to presence of your ascendant Lord in your sixth house, and your ascendant Lord is Sun, and Sun will suppress your hidden enemies in your sixth house, especially after 15th of January. But you may have to face some health related issues, because your ascendant Lord, your first house Lord, which controls you, your health, is right now moving in the house of acute diseases, because sixth house also deals with your health issues. So we can expect you may have to face some health issues, especially after 15th of January. So we can expect these results from Sun in the month of January for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about now let's talk about Mercury. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mercury controls your 11th house and your second house, and right now Mercury is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mercury is just moved from your fourth house to your fifth house after 6 January 2024 in the sign of Sagittarius, and Mercury will stay approximately to the whole month in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Second house will be your family history seen from second house, family lineage, your early upbringing, your speech, your food intake habits, and your savings is also seen from second house. 11th house will be your friend circle, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house, your elder siblings, your gains in life is also seen from 11th house, your hopes and wishes and fulfillment of hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So in the month of January, your 11th house and your second house Lord is moving in your fifth house. Also, Ketu is moving in your second house. So Mercury is also taking Ketu's energy in your fifth house. But we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter, because Mercury from your fifth house also expecting your 11th house, its own house. And as we discussed previously, 11th house will be your gains, your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes. So we can expect great result regarding your gains related matter in the form of money, in the form of achievement, or in the form of respect. Also, we can expect great result regarding your children's credit matter, as we discussed previously in Sun section, because your 11th house Lord is moving in your fifth. The house of gains Lord is moving in your children's house Lord. Also, we can expect great result regarding your love relationship if you have any love relationship. Mercury also controls your second house, and right now Ketu is moving in your second house, and Mercury is taking Ketu's energy in your fifth house. So we can expect you may have to face some difficulties regarding your family issues related matter, communication matter, because Mercury generally controls communication, and Mercury controls your second house. And Mercury controls your second house, and your second house Lord is right now moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So we can expect these results from Mercury in the month of January for all the Leo ascendant people. Let's talk about Venus. For all the Leo ascendant people, Venus controls your 10th house and your third house. And right now, Venus is moving in your fourth house in the sign of Scorpio. Venus will stay in your fourth house till 19th of January. After 19th of January, Venus will move to your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. 10th house will be your work environment is seen from 10th house, how good you are in your work is also seen from 10th house, how far you can go in your career, in your profession, in your occupation is also seen from 10th house. Your fame is also seen from 10th house along with 7th house and first house. So right now your 10th house and your third house deal with your communication, your younger siblings, your cousins, neighbors, your childhood friend is seen from third house. Your effort, how much effort you can put in anything is seen from third house. How much hard working are you is seen from third house. Your hands and your hand skills, all type of skills you have is also seen from third house. So right now third house and 10th house lord is moving in your fourth house, so we can expect great result regarding your work related matter, because Venus from your fourth house till 19th of January, till Venus is present in your fourth house, Venus is expecting your 10th house, its own house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. Your superior will support you at your workplace in the month of January. You may get some promotion and increment because Venus, your 10th house lord, is present in your fourth house, and from fourth house, Venus is also expecting its own house, and also Jupiter from your ninth house, house of luck, house of fortune, also expecting your 10th house lord in your fourth house. That's why till 19th of January, we can expect great result regarding your work related matter. Also, Venus controls your third house, and third house lord is moving second places away from itself in your fourth house. That's why we can expect great result regarding your get together, regarding your younger brother and sister related matter. Also, we can expect you will arrange some get together at your home, because your third house also deal with your get together, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends. So you will invite them at your home in the month of January, especially before 19th of January. So we can expect these results from Venus till 19th of January. After 19th of January, when Venus will move to your fifth house, then your 10th house lord and your third house lord will be moving in your fifth house. So we can also expect great result after 19th of January regarding your children's related matter. If you have children right now, also we can expect great result regarding your education related matter. If you are in education life, because 10th house deal with your fame, your ability and working abilities, lord is moving in the house of mental abilities, in the house of education. That's why we can expect great result for your children and your fifth house related matter. Also, Venus controls your third house, your communication abilities, your cousins, neighbors, childhood friends, your handwriting is also seen from third house. So, right of January, your third house lord is moving in your fifth house. So, we can also expect great result for your third house related matter after 19th of January, when Venus will move to your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. So we can expect these results from Venus in the month of January for all the Leo ascendant people. Now let's talk about Moon. For all the Leo ascendant people, Moon controls your 12th house, and right now Moon is moving in your third house in the sign of Libra. The positions of planet you are watching on whiteboard, it's set according to 6th of January, and on the basis of 6th January, we are predicting for whole month, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your chart easily. So first of all, whenever moon is moving near 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, because these house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow issues, problem and difficulties will always associated with these house. And moon considered as very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily. Either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is moving near any naturally malefic planet from any house, during these days also we can expect we may have some issues, problem and difficulties in our life, and especially issues, problem and difficulties will come from the house significance through which moon is moving near naturally malefic planet. So that's the way to judge moon transit. Now let's talk about Mars. For all the Leo ascendant people, Mars controls your ninth house and your fourth house, and right now your ninth house and fourth house lord is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Sagittarius. Mars will stay in your fifth house till the whole month of January. So ninth house will be your father, teachings of your father seen from ninth house. Your higher education means your postgrad education is also seen from ninth house. Your religious knowledge, religious inclination is seen from ninth house. Your pilgrimages means your long distance travel is also seen from ninth house. Your teachers, your mentor, your advisor, your lawyer, your second marriage is also seen from ninth house. Fourth house will be your home, your mother, your conveniences in life. Your conveniences in life is seen from fourth house. Your comfort in life is also seen from fourth house. Your your property related matter, your vehicles related matter. How much properties do you have? How much property you will have in your life? It's also seen from fourth house. So right now your ninth house and fourth house thought is moving in your fifth house, and as we discussed previously, fifth house will be the children, your love relationship, your early education, your mental abilities, planning abilities, etc., etc. So we can expect great results in all of these matter in the month of January, because Mars, your ninth house lord, is moving in your fifth house along with your ascendant lord, and fifth house considered as most positive house in astrology. So we can expect great result regarding all of these matter in the month of January for all the Leo ascendant people. Also, just you need to take care of your health related matter when sun will move to your sixth house after 15th of January. You may feel some discomfort regarding your health related matter in the month of January, especially after 15th of January. Rest all, we can expect good result for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of January. So we can expect these results from all the plans for all the Leo ascendant people in the month of January. Our today's video monthly prediction for the month of January 2024 for all the Leo ascendant people ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.